Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a new assignment. The name of the assignment is PowerPoint 4G film production. I am a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. I am a professional. I can do my MyITLab courses, Cine courses and SimNet courses for you like Microsoft Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Word, Math, Stat, Business Math, Accounting, Finance, Writing, Technical Programming. If you want any assistance related to these courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, or Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. So let's start the assignment. So we will move towards steps to perform in instructions. First instruction says to open the PowerPoint file which we have downloaded with the instruction file. Then it says to save this file as template file. With the name of last name and first name. We didn't save it as template file. Save it as template PowerPoint template. Template file. Then it says in second point, it says in slide master view on basis slide master. We will switch to slide master view in on basis slide master. On basis slide master, change the background to style to background style to format the background with the gradient fill linear type. So we will open this gradient fill linear type. Position gradient stop to at 25%. Stop to at 20. Position gradient stop 3 at 75%. 75. Set the color to in the 8th column, the third color in the 8th column. In the 8th column, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 column, third column, 1, 2, 3. Then apply to all. So in third step it says change the color of the first bullet to change the color of the first bullet to 8th column last color, 8th column last color. Select the title and content layout. Title and contact layout. Thumbnail. Insert a text box in the lower left corner of the font. Select the title and content layout. Thumb. Text box in the lower left corner. Lower left. Lower left. Inside the text box, this change the font size to 12. Bold center. Change the height of the text box to 0.5 and 6 and 6. Choose a shape fill to add gradient with a light variant of linear tone. Linear tone. Align the text box to the center or bottom of the slide. Center, bottom of the slide. Hide the footer. Hide the footer. Remove the header on the headout and down. Header must remove. Close this. Insert the header and footer on the notes, fixed date and the page number. So we will if you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. If you liked the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in next video. Hello everyone, as you can see I have done this complete course for one of my students of my lab IT lab, and he got amazing marks in this course. If you want to obtain these marks, then or you want me to do this complete course or assignments for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. I do my MyITLab courses, Cinegage courses and Simnet courses. If you want me to do these courses for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. Thank you.